Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Catherine of Stylux, and today I'm coming at you with an unboxing video of Loewe puzzle bag in a size medium. You guys will see in a second what the color is. I got this bag from Saks Fifth Avenue. Go through Ebates to make the purchase. In case you guys didn't know, Ebates is a website that gives you cash back on a lot of the stores online. And by doing that, whenever you purchase something, you can get a certain percentage of your purchase back throughout the year. So it's a great little website. If you have not heard of it before, please go check it out. I will link it down below in the description box. So here is my bag. It did take Saks Fifth Avenue for a couple days to track it down and ship it to me. I tried to look for it, but none of the stores around me carry this, and I believe the only Loewe store is in Miami throughout the entire country. So before ordering this, I have not seen it in person before. When I saw it with other bloggers like Hey June and Emma Hill, I really fell for the bag, and the more I looked at it, I really wanted to have this one. So I'm really glad I did make this purchase, and it was really messy, but ta-da! This is the bag that I purchased in a color tan. This is in the smooth calfskin leather with a silver hardware here. It does come with straps, so I'll put that on in a second. So here's the front. You may be able to see the graining, maybe, if the lighting catches it properly. Yeah, you can see there's some graining here. So although it's not pebble grain leather, there's some graining here that's natural. And you see the white Loewe logo here. There's a tag right there, says Loewe. In the back, there's a D-ring over here and a little zipper pocket here. That's already undone. So that's how it looks when it's zipped. And the flap is here. And when you flip over, there's a zipper right here. You can zip, unzip very easily. When you zip it, you're able to tuck it in under the flap, and ta-da, it kind of hides underneath. And inside, it's a canvas lining. You may not be able to see it. I'm on my computer, so the resolution is not very great. There's a Loewe tag. Here, there's two slip pockets, one on each side, but there's no zipper pocket here. Comes with a care booklet and a little authenticity tag. There is a tag with a number on this side. You're probably not going to be able to see it. It's too dark in here. But yeah, so let me talk about the pricing. So the bag retails for currently in the US $2,490. Of course, that depends on I believe, the hardware color and what kind of color and material you have in your bag. The seasonal bags where it's special colors, it might be more expensive even. But for this one, it was $2,490. For a size small, I believe, with the same material. I believe it's $2,250. Of course, that also varies. I will write everything in the description box down below. So on Cyber Monday, I bought this from Saks Fifth Avenue. They were running a promotion where they were giving $50 off of every $200 you spend. Since this was well over $2,000, the promotion was capped at $500. I was able to get $500 off of this. So in total, before taxes, it was $1,990, and plus taxes, it was just about $2,190. And on top of that, with Ebates, I was able to get 14% in cash back. So it really comes out to be $1,830. I will put all of the details either on the video or down below. So that's actually the cheapest price I've seen on this bag. That's what made me kind of jump on it. I did have like a little bit of buyer's remorse, but every time I look at it, I just can't stop thinking about it. So at this point, I'm very much sold on keeping this bag. But if you guys feel otherwise, or if you guys agree with me, please leave me a comment down below. That'll be huge help. So yeah, so that's a little bit of pricing, and now I'm going to talk about why I chose a size medium over a small. because small size is a bit more affordable because it is about $250 less than how much this cost. It is also more popular with the bloggers, I believe. But for me, when I buy a bag, I'm really all about practicality. If I don't see everyday use for the bag, I tend to not keep it. So for this bag, I knew that I wanted space in it because I tend to carry quite a bit of stuff, especially over the weekends. I run errands a lot. During wintertime, I put scarves, gloves in here. During summertime, I like putting umbrella here because it rains a lot in Atlanta. So for that reason, I chose a medium. I just thought it would be more practical for day use than it would be with a small size. Just my personal opinion. One of the biggest pros with the size medium actually comes with the strap. So you can see with the size medium, you can see that there's a wider band right here. It used to be like that for a size small, but they have discontinued that for a size small. So if you look at size small bands now, it's all in the same width, and they do not have the wider width in the middle, which I don't know why, because this is what makes the bag really comfortable. I can put it on now so you can kind of see how it sits on my body. So you can wear it on the side on one shoulder, so it sits on your hip. You can adjust the length of your shoulder strap. So if you're shorter than I am, I'm 5'8". It certainly will not be too long on you because you can adjust the strap. You can wear it comfortably as a crossbody, which I will be doing a lot, especially on the weekends. And of course, you can just carry it like this, handheld, which is one of my favorite ways to carry a bag, or crook of your arm. So all 4 ways, very comfortable. Opening of the bag is also another pro of size medium. A size small is significantly smaller than this bag. I believe it's about this big. So you can imagine how much smaller the opening would be. If you also have a Speedy B25 from Louis Vuitton, you kind of understand what I mean. I love that bag, but the opening is kind of fussy. The zipper only goes from beginning to the end. It doesn't go over the sides as well. So size medium, I can navigate pretty easily, but I can only imagine if it was any narrower, it would be pretty difficult to navigate. So that's another pro of a size medium over small. And oh yeah, so the biggest thing, new size smalls, do not come with the feet anymore, which I don't understand why, but the mediums still come with the feet with the matching silver hardware. And in the back, you still get the D-ring as well. This is also discontinued on the new size smalls. This allows you to wear it as a backpack. I don't see myself wearing it as a backpack, but it's always nice to have an option. Another thing is that in the back pocket, because the bag is a lot bigger than small, I'm able to fit my iPhone 8 in here, and I think I'm able to zip it as well. Ta-da! So it's definitely big enough to hold a phone. I usually have my phone in and out of my purse as I'm shopping, as I'm running errands and stuff like that, so this comes in very, very handy. And you can imagine you can put in like cards and your keys, unless you have a big keychain. This will come in very, very handy as well. So yeah, that's why I chose a size medium over a size small. In terms of the leather, I was really afraid that this will be the leather that gets a lot of scratches. I've had other calfskin, lambskin purses before from different fashion houses, and every time I did this, it will leave a scratch, and I wasn't a huge fan. That's why I wasn't sure about the smooth calfskin leather. But it seems that this has some natural graining to it, and I don't really see any scratches when I do this. So yeah, but yeah, I really, really like this, and I'm really looking forward to using this bag for the next couple weeks. I will definitely report back with wear and tear. After a couple weeks of use, I will be carrying this bag to work every day, so it really will have daily wear and tear. So that's it for my unboxing video today. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about this bag or comments, please leave comments down below. I think for my next video, I will be bringing out my total of three Louis Vuitton handbags and share with you guys what I have. And I will share that story with you in my next video. So thanks so much for watching, and see you guys next time.